Hey there, ever wanted to know how to replace an optical sensor in an Alvarado full height turnstile? Today, we're gonna show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. You can check the description for a list of required tools to do this maintenance safely. As always, our first step should be to turn off the power to our Alvarado full height. You will then disconnect the optical sensors from the control board and remove the two screws. Then you'll remove the old optical sensor and replace it with the new optical sensor. Last thing we need to do is power on the unit and test for proper operation. If you need on-site service from one of our turnstile specialists, please contact our service department. If you feel like your turnstile is beyond repair, check out the link in the description for a list of full height turnstiles that are typically in stock at Avant-Garde. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions, please leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile Guys. See you next time.